Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter in the old days. First, you'll need fresh, high-quality cream, ideally from cows grazing on lush pastures. Let the cream sit out until it reaches room temperature, typically around 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. This gentle warming is crucial because it helps the fat globules in the cream separate and come together more easily during the churning process, setting the stage for delicious homemade butter. Next, it's time for the main event, churning. Carefully pour your warmed cream into a butter churn, or even a large, clean jar if you're doing it by hand. Then, you'll begin to agitate the cream vigorously. This can be done by plunging a dasher up and down in a traditional churn, or by shaking a jar. After about 20 to 30 minutes, you'll notice the cream thickening, then suddenly separating into solid butterfat and liquid buttermilk. Once the butter has formed, the next critical step is washing it thoroughly. First, carefully drain off all the liquid buttermilk. Don't discard it, as it's wonderful for baking. Then, you'll rinse the butter repeatedly with very cold water. Work the butter with a paddle or your hands, pressing out any remaining buttermilk. Continue this process until the water runs completely clear, ensuring your butter will stay fresh and taste its best. Finally, it's time to season and shape your homemade butter. If you prefer salted butter, add about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of fine salt per pound of butter, adjusting to your personal preference. Work the salt in thoroughly and evenly using a butter paddle or your clean hands. Once seasoned, you can press the butter into decorative molds or simply shape it into convenient blocks for storage. Your fresh, homemade butter is now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.